Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanessa, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I cook my lasagna. I do it very simple, nothing spectacular, so I'm just going to show you the ingredients that I use to put in mine really quick. And I'm gonna set those out for you first, and then I'll come back and show you what all I'm going to be putting in it. Okay guys, I already have a pot of water on the stove going. And I did add a little salt into it. And if you hear noise, y'all, my daughter is right next to me in the kitchen. So I have a pot of water going with salt, and right here I have 2 pounds of ground beef. And I seasoned it with some black pepper, onion, and garlic powder, and some Creole seasoning. And over here, the rest of my ingredients, I have the lasagna noodles, spaghetti sauce, and these are the 3 cheeses I'm using. I'm going to be using the sharp cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and I found this at Kroger's a couple of weeks ago when I cooked lasagna, and it was pretty good. And it's the hot pepper blend shredded cheese. So those are all my ingredients. So right now I'm just gonna let this water boil and continue cooking this meat, and I'm gonna just let you guys watch. Okay y'all, as y'all can see, my water is boiling. Let me see, can I zoom y'all in? Okay, my water is boiling, so I'm just gonna take my noodles and add them in. Okay, so I added all of my noodles, and I'm just gonna let those start cooking. And the box says to cook from 12 to 14 minutes, but I'm not gonna let it cook the whole time, because remember, this is going into the oven. So I think I might do about 9 to 10 minutes, and then the rest will cook in the oven. And let me check on my ground beef and get that stirred in. ground beef is just about done. Okay, y'all, when the ground beef's done, I'll come back and show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, y'all, so my noodles are still going and they have about 7 minutes. And as you can see, my ground beef is fully cooked. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my spaghetti sauce and I'm going to mix that in with my hamburger meat and let that simmer, season it and simmer a little bit, and then we'll just be waiting on the noodles where we can put this thing together. So I'm just going to let that come to a boil, and I'm going to turn it down on a simmer. And then once the noodles are done, I'm just going to turn it off and we'll put this thing all together. Okay, you guys, so I have my noodles over here. They're done. The meat sauce is done, and I have my pan here. So now we're just going to be putting it together, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. Okay, y'all, first I'm just going to take a spoon and take some of this sauce mixture and put it at the bottom of the pan, because I don't want any of the noodles to stick to the bottom. So I'm not going to really put much, just enough to cover the bottom. As you see, I'm doing just a little bit more. Okay. Then I'm just going to go in with some of the noodles, just layer them on, and I'm going to put 3. It's going to be 3 noodles on each layer, just like that. So now I'm just going to come back with some more sauce and spread that around. Okay, then y'all, I'm just gonna go in with all of my cheeses. First, I'm going to go in, if I can ever get it open. Oh my God. Okay, y'all, first I'm going to go in with my sharp cheddar cheese. And y'all, I like a lot of cheese, so I'm not going to be stingy with it. Next, I'm going to go in with the mozzarella cheese. Y'all don't know why I didn't have the cheese open before. Next, the mozzarella cheese. And then I'm just going to go in with the hot pepper blend. Like I said, we want it nice and cheesy. Okay, y'all. Next, we're just gonna go back over with another layer of noodles. And make sure you preheat your oven between 375 and 400. And we just gonna repeat those steps. So I'll just come back to you guys when I'm finished layering. Okay, y'all, so I'm done layering the lasagna. So I'm just gonna pop it into my oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, y'all, so the lasagna is done and it looks so good. So I'm just gonna let it sit here while my green beans finish cooking. I got those going back there. And I'm about to pop my garlic bread in for 5 to 7 minutes. And we'll be ready to plate up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's on the plate. Okay, y'all, so here is everything plated up. I just have my lasagna, my green beans, and my garlic bread. So thank you guys for joining me for another video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.